Good morning, children. Today we will discuss about probability. Probability means predicting something. If something is going to happen, so before that only, if we are predicting like that ki what is the probability of its success and failure is known as the probability. So some mathematical terms we will discuss about this probability. The first word is experiment. Any operation, any function performed is known as an experiment. Say I have thrown an coin. So what outcomes will come? What comes will come? So head and tail. So throwing a coin is an experiment itself. If I throw a dice, ठीक है, I have throw a dice, so that is also an experiment. Shuffling of a pack of cards, it's an experiment. So whenever some outcome will come, I have 3 pens here, so which pen I am going to choose? So putting a pen over here is also an experiment. Bundle of books is kept over here, which book I will be removed from the bundle? So that is also, so that whole thing is an experiment. And from there, if we are choosing one thing, so that is known as the outcome of that particular event. So whatever outcomes came, say for example in my rack it is English book, Hindi books, maths book, Sanskrit, science, and I shuffled it and I kept it in my rake, and then I said ki by closing my eyes I have to choose one. Okay, so shuffling of book is an experiment, and the outcome will be what? Either it will be a English book or the Hindi book or the maths book or the science book or the SST book. So when we are talking about random experiment, what do you mean by random experiment? We know all the possible outcomes and we don't know what could come. Both the things. We know that these are the outcomes can come, and we don't know which outcome will come. Say for example I said ki I have put it some rake over some books in my rake, English, Hindi, math, science, and I am shuffled it, सबको mix कर दिया, and then I will choose one book from it. So I am knowing, students, कि this is English book or Hindi book or maths book or science book or SST book or computer book will come. But for example, I don't know what has come in my hand. मैं कुछ भी copies को ला करके रख देती हूँ. So I don't know कि ये कॉपी कहाँ का है, किसका कॉपी है, दिस इज इवन माइन और समवन एल्स, और किसका है, सो आई डोंट नो. सो दैट इज़ नॉट एन रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट. आई शुड नो कि मेरा जो मैंने जितनी भी बुक्स लाई हैं उनके सारे 5 या 6 बुक्स या 10 बुक या 20 बुक्स सबके बारे में मुझे पता होना चाहिए, एंड देन उसको मैंने शफल कर दिया और उसको मैंने रख दिया, राइट. तो दिस टाइप ऑफ थिंग इज नोन एज अ random experiment. What do you mean by trial? By performing some random experiment. कुछ एक करते हैं तो उसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? ट्रायल कहते हैं. Example, as I told you, throwing a coin, throwing 2 coins, throwing a dice. These are all the examples of the experiment. Now what is empirical probability? There are 2 types of probability. We have to read about the empirical probability. Empirical probability means the number of trials in which E occurs and total number of trials. Say for example, I am throwing a coin, okay, and what are the possible outcomes for that? Either head will come or tail will come. No, nothing else will come. Say for example, I have tossed my coin 100 times. And for example 40 times head comes and tail comes 60 times. Obviously tail will come 60 times. So in 100 trials 40 times head comes and 60 times tail comes. So what was the probability of head comes? So the number of times head comes upon total number of trials. So number of head comes is 40 upon 100. So we will be solve this, then it will be 2 by 5. Similarly, say for example, I tossed a dice 200 times, and from 200 times 1 comes, say for example 50 times. Then what is the probability of 1 comes? So 50 by 200. So this is the way, this is known as the empirical probability. Okay. So there are some questions over here. We just go through the questions. In question number 1, children, you can see a coin is tossed 300 times and we get head 136 times and tail 164 times. So what is the probability of head comes? 136 by 300. And what is the probability of tail comes? 164 by 3 times. In second question, 2 coins are tossed simultaneously 200 times and we get 2 head 58 times, 1 head 83 times and 0 head 59 times. When 2 coins are tossed at random, what is the probability of getting 2 heads? So 58 by 200. So what is the answer here? 58 by 200, and we will simplify it. Then what is the probability of 1 head? It is 83 by 200, and here 0 head means 59 by 200, right? Similarly, in this question, children, you can see we have thrown 100 times a dice. 1 comes 21 times, 2 comes 14 times, 3 comes 18 times, 4 comes 15, 5 comes 23 times and 6 comes 9 times. So when a dice is thrown at random, what is the probability of getting 3, 6, 4 and 1? So what is the probability of 3? 18 by 100. So when we are talking about 18 by 100, we will simplify it. 2 9s are 2 50s are. That's it. What is the probability of 6 comes? 9 by 100. What is the probability of 4 comes? 15 by 100. And what is the probability of 1? 21 by 100. Similarly, in this question, in a survey of 100 ladies, it was found that 36 like coffee while 64 dislike it. Out of these ladies, one is chosen at random. What is the probability that the chosen lady likes coffee? So 36 likes coffee, so 36 by 100. And dislikes coffee, this means 64 by 100. Okay. So this is how we solve the questions. Sometimes question may come like that ki we have tossed 100 times a coin, 64 times head comes. Then what is the probability of tail comes? So as we said, we tossed 100 times and 64 times head comes. So what is the probability of tail comes? 100 minus 64, that is equal to 36. So the probability of tail is equal to how much? 36 by 100. Similarly, we can say we have tossed a coin 600 times, and the probability of tail is number of times tails comes is 420. Then what is the probability of head comes? So 600 minus 420, 180. So probability of head is equal to 180 by 600. Like this we will solve the question. Okay children, so this is all for the probability. Just go through with each and every example. Only 6-7 questions are there, and but question will come as I told you. So go for it and just do the needful. Goodbye children. Have a nice day.